Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Tim, and in this video we're going to start the underside restoration and the rear subframe restoration as well. In the previous video we rebuilt the differential, converted it to a limited slip as well. Now this looks very good, in my opinion, at least good enough for me. It would be a shame to just install it in the car as is. The car is very dirty underneath. All the various bushings and so on I believe are original, and it never hurts to actually change them out for something fresh and new. I do have a lot of parts in the background that are going to be installed during the process, and I must admit that I haven't done this on an E46 yet. I've done it on an E36, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it and see how it goes. Now first off, let me just show you what the car actually looks like right now. The car is very dirty everywhere, as you can see, and I believe all bushings are stuck. Maybe they did change out these camber arms here, but I believe other than that, everything's stuck. There are no subframe cracks that I can see, but once I actually get the rear subframe out, I'll be able to get a better look as well. I will need to drop the rear shocks as well, so I think I'll start here and work my way towards the fuel tank. Let's see. If you're wondering why old BMWs smell like crayon, it's this sound deadening placed all around the car that tends to give off a smell of crayons. So that's the connector, and there's, I'm not sure if this is evap or what this hose is, but I guess I will find out. How do I actually remove this? There. Oh, like this. Okay. All right. One other thing I do need to do is remove, I believe there are 10s or maybe 11s here from the handbrake. Oh, those looks like 10s. Yeah. Need some other tools for that, but I'll remove this off camera here so that the handbrake cables will be able to slide down with the rest of the rear subframe and such. I think these cables here will come down with the rear subframe. I'll definitely be able to drop the gas tank with them here, so let's try and do that too. hoses here, feed and return. And then the evap here, I'm not sure where that one goes. What else do I need? The filling hose for the fuel tank, I'll need that as well. Oh good, no fuel. Okay, I guess I could remove the other end as well. And there it is. There. All right, I'll obviously need to support it somehow. Let's see, is this wide enough? It appears so. All right, a moment of truth. What will happen? Definitely has a tendency to drop towards the camera here. Now the thing I'm probably most worried about is the filling tube for the tank, if I'll be able to actually kind of swoop that around the rear cross, the rear subframe here. I think I'll wear some safety glasses because I'm afraid I'm gonna have to wrestle it out and I might get fuel in my eyes. So now my eyes at least will be intact when I'm doused with fuel and burnt to a crisp. How do I go about actually? Oh no, there are some connections here I need to attend to first. Okay, let me just push this up here. See if I can. So I managed to actually remove these two here now to get better room for the last one that I should have taken from the top when I remove the electrical connection. I'll have to, I don't know, get the tank somewhat into place and then tilt the other end down. So let's try that. That was easy. Nice. Okay. Off you go. There it is. Look at that mess. We're gonna have to clean this up as well. Maybe drain the tank, replace the fuel pump while we're at it. Then obviously clean all this out. Okay, so next up, I believe we can disconnect the shocks, have the calipers hang free, and then we have a few, let's see, there's 2 ABS sensors and 1 xenon headlight level sensor. Okay, let's do that. About like this. Nice. The reason why I don't just remove this hose here, remove the caliper entirely, is that I'd like to keep the brakes intact for now, and then when I do actually have everything installed and looking good, so on, then I'll actually rebuild the calipers, change the brake hoses and such. But at this stage I really just want them hanging, and then do the subframe and underside restoration first. Okay, let's do the other one as well. I always have a 10 on me, or 10 wrench, open end, box end, because whenever you work on cars, at least when it's not, I don't know, old US cars, there's an incredible amount of tin that you need. So having one in your pocket just makes it super easy to, wherever you encounter them, just grab it, break them loose, unscrew them like that. And these here, wherever I can, I actually just install them again, this time without the bracket in place, obviously. That way I don't need to label them. I don't need to put them in a bag and label them. They're just there for when I need them the next time. Okay, let's see if we can do the same with this one here, through there. And then, is it doable? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, this one was for the brake pad sensor. This is for the ABS sensor. Like this. And then, let's see, there. Yeah, that will come down with this trailing arm here. And there, how do I open this? There, that's one, two, whoops, two, three. Oh, holy fuck, this one is, I I actually managed to knock myself out once where I was standing on the other end of it. Anytime you remove, unscrew something, be sure to do it in the opposite direction of your face. Then the final one here. Holy fuck, they're stuck. Okay. It would be awesome if these were 18s too. They are, all of them. That's, thank you, BMW. That's one. That's two. One. Two. All right. Let's see what happens. I'm not forgetting anything, am I? Okay. I wonder if it's the handbrake cables that are holding me back right now. There. Okay. There. Can I do... Oh. All right, it's down, the subframe. Next up, I'll remove the trailing arm, the control arm, the camber arms, and that's it. Then the actual subframe will be alone by itself. So let's do that. Oh! Ouch! That's one. Two. I love how everything on a BMW here is the same size. Makes it so much easier. There. All right. Then what I do is let's see, this one came through here. Oh, it came through here, here. There. That one came through here from this direction. Yeah, I believe these are original. They even say BMW. These bushings here. There's probably not really anything wrong with them, but you know, let's just change them. All right. The subframe is ready to be restored. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Actually, we managed to take the entire rear end apart. Next video will probably be the actual beautification of everything, meaning that I'm gonna wash everything, paint it, clean it, and then start restoring basically everything. New bushings everywhere, so on. Yeah. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please consider liking or subscribing. A big thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.